Hey all, let's get started with our Java series. Guys, I've heard this myth a lot that people keep on saying Java is the most difficult language. We don't know whether we can do it or we cannot do it. Guys, I can assure you that you can do it. It is the most easiest language I've ever worked on. I'll tell you why. So let's get started with introduction of Java, and please start with the open mind that it's the easiest language ever and definitely you can do that. Okay, so what is Java? So guys, Java is a write once, run anywhere programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. So what is the meaning of write once, run anywhere programming language? That means you can write Java program on any operating system, any platform, and you can use it on any other platform. So I'll give you one example. Let's say I've written the program in Windows and now I want to use it in Mac. I can definitely do that. So you can compile it on different operating system and you can use it on different operating system. You can execute it on different operating system. This is the meaning of this line, write once, run anywhere programming language. Now, you can combine Java with lot of technologies like Spring, Node.js, Android, Hadoop, J2E, etc. to build scalable, portable and full-fledged applications. So Java has this unique feature that you can combine Java with anything. You can combine Java with any of the technology like I have mentioned over there and use it to build application according to your requirements. Not only that, Java also promotes continuous integration and testing. Yes, you have heard it right. You can use Java for testing also with a tool called Selenium. So guys, Selenium is an automation testing tool in which you can use Java to automate your web browsers. So you can see how many advantages are there of Java. First of all, Java, you can write it anywhere and you can execute anywhere. Second, you can combine it with any technologies. And last but not least, there are many actually, that you can use it for testing too. So you can say Java is overall package. You can perform different things with the help of Java. Now let's understand little bit history of Java. Java was originally developed by James Gosling with his colleague at Sun Microsystems during the early 90s. So it is 90s product. Later, Microsystem was acquired by Oracle. So now Java is a product of Oracle. So from there is no looking back. So Java is evolving on regular basis. It's still going on and there is no looking back. Now let's understand few features of Java. Guys, first and most important feature of Java is it is platform independent. You must have heard a lot about Java as a programming language. But do you know it is also a platform? Yes, it is platform in itself. Java platform is a software only platform. Quite different from traditional platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris. You might be thinking, okay, Java is a platform itself, then why it needs other platform to get executed? Guys, because Java is a software only platform, it requires hardware to get executed. When I was telling you that you can compile and execute it on different operating system, this is the meaning of it. That means when you're using some different operating system, actually you're using hardware of that operating system. So let's say I'm installing Java on Windows. That means I'm installing Java platform on Windows platform. When you write any Java program, that Java program actually goes through Java virtual machine. Now this virtual machine is something which gonna compile your program and converts its bytecode to native code according to the operating system on which you are executing it. So that's how Java is platform independent, because it has its own Java virtual machine in which all the code is compiled on its own. So there is no dependency on the operating system. When you are installing it on the operating system, you are using its hardware only. So converting bytecode into native code make Java program run on any device. This means you don't need individual machine specific compilers for Java code to run. Java has its own compiler. So yes guys, so Java is a platform also, and hence it is platform independent. It is easy to learn and simple to use. Yes, so this is contradictory to what you have heard till now. It's really very easy to use because it is well structured. You can easily understand it. That we'll learn in our rest of the tutorials, but it's very easy language. It is case sensitive. Yes, guys, it is case sensitive. So you cannot write your code in any case. It is coded in such a way that every case has a meaning. So if you're writing A in a capital letter and A in a lowercase, these two are different things. So yes, it is case sensitive. It is open source. That's the reason 97% of the companies are using Java. First, it is robust. It can be combined with anything. It can be used for different purposes. And C, it is open source. That means it is free of cost. You need not to buy. It's not a licensed product. You need not to buy it. So this also plays as the biggest decision making factor when companies choose any language for their applications. So Java is open source. And next is Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows to be reused, lowering development costs. So yes, it is object-oriented language. Now what's the meaning of object-oriented language? So that I'll definitely make you understand in my upcoming videos. So it is object-oriented language. With this you can understand that this is well structured. It has a complete structure which you will be following, and yes, you can reuse the code. Let's say if I have developed one program and you want to use it, you can definitely use my code. You need not to write it again and again. So this is called reusing a code. So you can reuse the code, and which gonna reduce development cost. Your time is being saved, your cost is being saved, your efforts are being reduced. So guys, these are some important features of Java. So I'll conclude by saying that Java is the most used language for many reasons which we just discussed also. These reasons are just few of them. There are many reasons that Java is so much popular. So Java language is easy to use, easy to learn. I can assure you one thing, that Java is the most easiest language to learn. So guys, with that note, we will start our journey now. And in our next video, we will understand how to install Java and how to set its environment path. That's all for this video. Thanks for now.